Now we will go back to the PR. Okay, so in another tab I have already opened my purchase requisition. Okay, now it is showing as blank. If I click on refresh, on from my right side top we have refresh icon. If I click on refresh, you can see my unit price, net amount, vendor account and vendor name. This information is auto populated. From where it came? From my request for quotation. Okay, so let us approve this particular workflow. Let us complete this one. So I am going to the workflow history. Okay, it is at line level. Let me reassign. So let me quickly approve this particular PR workflow.
Hi,
Hi,
sir.
sir.
Hello. Yeah.
Yeah,
How
how
is
is Rawat?
My voice is not clear.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's now
it's now
clear.
clear.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Before that,
before that,
it's
it's
not
not
coming. So.
coming. So,
Actually, I said that let me quickly approve this particular purchase requisition. So I am doing that. Yeah. Now it is completed workflow. Uh, Now you can see from in review, in the sense when it is in when we have submitted to the workflow, the status of that particular purchase requisition is in review. Now it will change to approved and closed. The reason behind is we have enabled the auto creation of purchase order in the policies. Okay, if we not enable that one, the status will be approved and we need to release manually. Okay, So I will create another PR for that. I will show you how we need to release it manually. Okay, now the PR status is closed. It means the purchase order is generated. Okay, if I refresh this particular page, under related information you can see purchase order number 150. Okay, if you click this particular purchase order number, it will directly open the purchase order form. Okay, this is one way, like how we have seen in the RFQ. Like for example, if I click on this particular hyperlink 150, now you can see this purchase order has been opened and the status is approved. Okay, as I said earlier, there will be for any transactional form we will have two different views. One is lines, another one is header. Header is nothing but basically whatever the vendor master information will be there. I mean the respective masters, like either it may be a vendor, either it may be a customer. Those information will by default auto populate over here. Okay, so if I go on header, these are the information which is by default it is populating from the vendor master. Lines, these are the main transactional area where you will be mapped. Okay, under lines also it is classified in three different head. One is purchase order header, purchase order lines, and line details. Okay, so basically in lines, purchase order lines, we will map the product or procurement category. We will select it. So currently what I did, this particular line is auto populating from my purchase requisition. Okay, so for this particular purchase order we will have some information related to the our purchase requisition. Okay, those information you can find in the line details. Like for example, if I scroll down, you can see the line details. Under general you can see the request for quotation. So this is my request for quotation number, this is my quote reply, I mean the vendor sub case number. Okay, this is RFQ line, and this is my purchase requisition number. So this information which is populating from my PR RFQ. Okay, so from there it is populating over here. Okay, and you can see the price information, everything is populating over here. Okay, so in purchase order the main important step is confirmation. So without doing confirmation we cannot proceed further. Okay, I mean we cannot receive it and then we cannot invoice it. Like for example, you can see under receive, by default I have clicked on over here and receive. You can see product receipt list is the product receipt is disabled. Okay, and if you go with the invoice, you can see the generate invoice, but you cannot post the invoice. Let me show you that. If I click on generate invoice, okay, you can see there is no line, nothing is coming, and you can see nothing has been came over here. Okay, everything is blank. The main reason is, as we have not confirmed the purchase order, we are not able to do we are not able to proceed further. Let me delete it. Okay, let me go a step back. So let me do the confirmation action. For that we will go to the purchase tab. You can see there is a purchase order, purchase, manage, receive, invoice. Okay, so we'll click on this purchase tab. Okay, under action we have confirm. So let me clarify over here. Under action we have two different actions. One is confirm, another one is finalize. Confirm action, you can do n number of confirmation, and For each confirmation there will be a versions will be created, and you can able to view those versions. Finalize, once you click on this finalize, you cannot modify this particular purchase order. Okay, like for example, if I'm doing confirmation now under from actions, okay, now confirmation journal has been generated. Under journals you can see purchase order confirmation. Okay, so again if I do confirmation, at here 150-1 is there, right? At here another record will be created, 150-2. Let me show you that. So before that I need to click on edit again. Let me make 3501. Okay, so I just modified the unit price. You can see confirm action. So again if I click on this confirm action, you can see if I go back to the purchase order confirmation journal, another version will be created with the difference. Okay, so you can modify n number of time, and you can print the confirmation journal based on the action you have provided. Okay, so the next part is receive. Okay, we will go to the receive tab. So we have product receipt. Okay, so in product receipt we will see three different case. One is partial receipt, correction, cancellation, full receipt. Total 4 different case we will see right now. So currently I am receiving full receipt. Okay, full receipt in the sense we have 20 quantity and I am receiving 20 quantity. Okay, like so I am giving it here my product receipt number has one PR001, that is the number which I am giving. This is the case 1 which we are seeing now. Sorry.
Kasi paano kasi madagdag?
Okay, so this is our first case, that is PR001. Okay, so my order quantity is 20 and I'm receiving quantity is 20. Okay, you can see order quantity and receive quantity. So in this case I'm receiving 100%. Okay, so I will click on OK.
Huh? Okay, from ఇక్కడ పింక్ ఒక బాగా తీస్తాను.
Now you can see product receipt journal